Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the strip is unexpired and pouch sealed. That's critical because compromised strips give false readings. Next, open on a clean surface and set a timer. Collect the sample per instructions, saliva or solution, making sure you haven't consumed anything for 15 minutes so residue won't skew results. Once done, dip the strip precisely as directed to the marked line. Why this precision matters is consistency in reagent activation and accurate reading. You now perform the core step. Dip the strip to the marked line for the specified seconds, typically 3 to 10, because under or over-dipping alters reagent concentration. Lay the strip flat on a non-absorbent surface and start the timer immediately. Make sure not to touch the reactive pad or tilt the strip, which can cause uneven flow. When the exact read time arrives, compare lines as instructed. This timing controls reaction completion and ensures you interpret intensity correctly. You finish by checking the control line first. Its presence confirms the strip worked. Without it, the result is invalid. Then interpret the test line according to the kit scale and record the outcome. Dispose of the used strip safely, and if results are borderline or unexpected, wait and retest with a new strip to confirm. If the control line fails or sample contamination is suspected, stop and repeat with a fresh kit, because that eliminates kit or procedural errors and restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.